Can Latino startups dramatically scale using grant funding? Have you ever wondered if Latino startups can really grow quickly with the help of grant funding? This is an important question for many aspiring entrepreneurs in the Latino community. Let's break down the facts to understand how grants can play a role in scaling these businesses. Latino startups often face unique hurdles when it comes to traditional funding. Many experience higher rates of loan rejections and struggle to secure the full amounts they need. This is where grants come into play. Grants are funds that do not need to be paid back, making them a great resource for Latino entrepreneurs. They can help reduce financial stress during the early stages of business growth. However, it is essential to note that grants alone usually do not provide enough money to scale a startup dramatically. The amounts available through grants can be limited, and the competition for these funds is often fierce. Most Latino startups that achieve significant growth relying on a mix of funding sources. This includes not just grants, but also venture capital and loans. In recent years, venture capital investments in Latin America have been on the rise. In fact, capital raised increased by 26% in 2024 and is expected to continue growing in 2025. This growth is driven by factors such as a young population and the rise of digital businesses. Venture capital tends to focus on more established startups with scalable business models, while grants are often aimed at earlier stage projects. For Latino entrepreneurs, having a solid business plan is crucial. Building a good credit history can also improve access to both grants and other funding options. Engaging with lenders or community organizations that understand the unique challenges faced by Latino businesses can open more doors. The United States Small Business Administration has loan programs that have supported many Latino-owned businesses, providing significant capital that can complement grant funding. As Latino startups grow, they will need to manage various risks associated with their operations. This includes employee health benefits, asset protection, and liability coverage. Understanding insurance options becomes vital as businesses scale. Grants may help cover initial expenses, but sustainable growth requires effective risk management and access to the right insurance products. In summary, while grant funding can provide essential support for Latino startups in their early stages, dramatic scaling typically requires a combination of grants, venture capital, and loans. Along with funding, managing financial risks through proper insurance is key for long-term success in the Latino community.